If you see other viewers on your Facebook story and want to know who they are, here's what that actually means and how you can get more information about them. First, open the Facebook app and go to your story. Now, swipe up on the story to view the people who watched it. If you see something like one other or other viewers, it usually means someone who is not on your friends list viewed your public story. Unfortunately, Facebook does not directly show the exact name of those viewers. That's part of Facebook's privacy system. But you can still get more details by enabling professional mode on your profile. To do this, tap the menu icon, then open your Facebook profile. Next, tap the three dots beside Edit Profile and select Turn on Professional Mode. After enabling it, go to your Professional Dashboard or Story Insights section. There, you'll be able to see extra analytics like viewer location, age range, gender, and audience reach. This can help you understand who the other viewers might be. If you don't want strangers viewing your stories, go back to your story settings, tap Story Privacy, and switch it from public to friends. And yeah, that's how you can understand and manage other viewers on Facebook stories in 2026.